Welcome to our channel. If your McDonald's app is stuck on an old order and won't let you view new ones, you're not alone. This can happen on both Android and iOS devices, but we've got you covered with simple solutions to fix this issue. Let's get started. 1. Close and restart the app. Sometimes, the app may be stuck due to a minor glitch or lag. Solution. For Android, open the Recent Apps menu. Swipe the McDonald's app off the screen to close it. Reopen the McDonald's app and check if the order is updated. For iOS, swipe up from the bottom or double-click the Home button. Find the McDonald's app and swipe it off the screen. Open the app again and see if it loads the new order. 2. Clear the app cache, Android, or reinstall the app, iPhone. Old or corrupted app data may cause it to display outdated information. Solution. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, McDonald's. Tap Storage, then select Clear Cache. Reopen the app to see if the order has updated. For iPhone, unfortunately, iOS doesn't allow you to clear the cache directly. You may need to uninstall and reinstall the app from the App Store to reset the app and fix the issue. 3. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, logging out and back in can resolve data sync issues. Solution. Open the McDonald's app and go to your account settings. Select Log Out and wait a few seconds. Log back into your account and check if the new order appears. 4. Check for app updates. An outdated version of the McDonald's app may be causing the issue. Solution. For Android, open the Google Play Store, search for McDonald's, and tap Update if an update is available. For iPhone, go to the App Store, search for McDonald's, and tap Update. 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, the issue may be related to a device-level problem. Solution. For Android, hold the power button and select Restart. For iPhone, press and hold the power button and volume button on newer models to restart your phone. After the device restarts, open the McDonald's app and check if the old order is cleared. 6. Clear internet cache or switch networks. If your app is still stuck on an old order, it could be an issue with your internet connection. Solution. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. You can also try resetting your internet connection by turning it off and back on. If none of these steps work, there may be a server-side issue with the McDonald's app, or you could be encountering an account-specific problem. In that case, reaching out to McDonald's customer support would be your next step. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and app solutions.